Hello guys, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to change your Poppo nickname. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app. The next thing is to tap on your profile icon found at the bottom right corner of your screen. So tapping on it, you just have to tap on your profile name. So when you tap on your profile name, it's going to take you to this phase of your Poppo Live. You just have to tap on the pencil icon. Tapping on the pencil icon, you're going to see an option for you to change your nickname. You just have to tap on it. Then you can now change the nickname to the name that suits you. And make sure you don't have such name. There is no such name on Poppo Live. So you just have to tap on save. You can see say the name nickname already exists. So you have to look for a name that don't exist before it's going to have effect on Poppo Live. So let me try another name and try see. So it has been saved. I have changed my nickname on Poppo Live. So guys, that is it on how to change nickname on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.